Good morning, friends. In the last videos, just we started CoreJava batch. So, in the first couple of videos, I explained very clearly what topics we are going to cover as a part of this CoreJava. Next, and after that, what is mean by language? Why we need to go for language? That part also I explained very clearly. And also, what is mean by programming language? So how you can able to write the programs, how many types of programming languages are there, that is low level, high level, middle level, clearly I demonstrated. Next, and after that, who introduced Java and what are the Java editions? So what is the initial name of Java, how many versions are there, what is the logo, everything we discussed. And what are the softwares required if you want to practice any Java program, what are the softwares required also, sir, we covered very clearly. Then we prepared first Java application and they explained every terminology, so by taking some example program. Next, and after that, officially I started, sir, with the documentation, what are the steps that you have to follow to execute a Java program. And in that Java program, every word I explained very clearly, sir. What is the meaning of class, what is the meaning of test, what is mean by static, what is mean by main, like that in detail explanation I have given. Next, and after that, sir, what are the common errors that you are going to get? Generally, when you are practicing the program, sir, you are going to get common mistakes, common errors. Sir, how you can able to clarify those things also, we have seen in the last video very clearly, sir. Okay. Next, and after that, so Java environment, how the Java file one format to another format, how it is going to be transmitted, everything we have seen. Next, and after that, I covered two programs. One is nothing but how to find sum of three numbers. Next, and after that, how to find area of the circle. These programs I explained, sir, just for your understanding purpose. Okay. So in today's session, I want to talk about one theory concept, which is nothing but, sir, translators. So what is mean by translator? As the name itself indicates that, sir, it is used to convert. It is used to convert one form of data into another form of data. Okay, sir, it is used to convert one form of data into another form of data. If it is your requirement, then we have to go for translator. Sir, in our programming, what is the need of translator? Very simple, sir. It is used to convert, okay, it is used to convert human human readable code into mission understandable code. Okay, sir, what it is going to do? Human readable code into mission understandable code. Sir, we will write a program by taking our normal English instructions and by following the rules and regulations of Java or C or Python, like that. That program has to be converted into mission understandable format. Mission understandable format in the sense what? Zeros and ones. Okay, so if it is our requirement, how you can able to convert? Sir, there are multiple translators are available in the market. One is nothing but assemblers. So in the olden days they are using this. Second one is nothing but compilers. So third one is nothing but interpreters. Okay, so I think you know about these things very well, but I don't want to spell anything about assemblers because it is a old language concept. Sir, you can go with the compilers and interpreters. What is mean by compiler, what is mean by interpreter? So let us analyze some few points regarding this compilers and interpreters. Sir, if you take a compiler, what is the first activity? Sir, it is used to convert your low level or low level or high level instructions into mission understandable code. Sir, I have written a beautiful Java program, or I have written a beautiful C program. I want to convert those instructions into mission code. Yes, you can go with compiler. Sir, okay, fine. Sir, it scans, okay, it scans the total program. It scans the total program at a time. So it is not going to scan line by line, sir, first line, second line, like that. It is not going to scan. If a program contains 10 lines of code, all these 10 lines at a time it is going to scan, sir. Okay, at a time it is going to scan. Then, sir, if there is any error, if there is any error, so all errors are, okay, printed. All errors are printed on console. So whatever output device you are taking, so it will print all the errors at a time. Next, sir, if there is no error, if there is no error, then, sir, it converts so into mission code. Okay, it will convert into mission code, sir, at a time. At a time, all the instructions will be converted into mission code. Okay, right, sir. Next, and after that, when we have to go for these compiler based programming languages, when we have to choose this compiler, of course we don't have any right, but generally how the people are going to select a compiler for their programming language. If error rate is, sir, very high, then recommended to go for these compilers. Okay, that is the reason why C language and Java are having compilers. Okay, more chances of getting syntactical mistakes, more chances of getting syntactical mistakes. Then, sir, could you please tell me some example programming languages for compilers? C is the compiler based programming language, C++, and Java is also compiler based programming language. That means in our Java we are going to execute the program by using compilers only. Okay, this is nothing but what are the in small points related to this compiler. Sir, now parallelly let me talk about interpreter, sir. What is mean by interpreter? Sir, whatever points we covered, same points will be there, because compiler, interpreter, their task is the same. So interpreter, it is used to convert not low level, sir. It is going to work only for high level, because so low level support only there for compilers. In the interpreter, it won't touch any low level instructions. Okay, because in the low level instructions, dependency will be there. One instruction after another instruction is going to come. But in the case of interpreter, independently it is going to execute. That's why, so if any dependency is there, memory related issues, our interpreter is not in a position to provide support, sir. Okay, right. So it is used to convert your high level instructions into mission code, no problem. Then, sir, it scans the program at a time. No, sir, it scans the program. Okay, it scans the program line by line, line by line. That means what? First line it will convert. Okay, if there is no error, no problem, then it will scan second line. So it will scan third line. Like that, line by line scanning is going to be done. But in the case of compiler, the total program at a time it is going to be scanned. That is a very, very point, a very important point you need to observe. Okay, sir, please confirm, am I audible? Is my voice is clear? I request every student to please respond, sir. Sorry for the interruption. Any audio issue, sir? Oh my god. Yeah, now is it clear? Any audio issues? Sir, now is it clear? Sir, everyone, Gopal, please check your connectivity. Gopal, sir, please check from your side. Right, friends. So it is going to scan the program line by line, sir. So first line it will scan. Okay, next and after that it will go to the next line. Like that, sir, it is going to scan line by line. Sir, if there is any error in the program, all errors will be printed? No, sir. Only, sir, the topmost error, I can say first error. First error will be printed on the screen. If you solve this first error, then second error. If you solve this second error, third error, and so on, it is going to print only the topmost error on the console. Okay. Then, if there is no error, it converts a mission code line by line. Line by line, it will convert. Sir, my first line is not having any error. Please convert it into mission understandable code. Then take a second line. Sir, my second line is having error. Debug that error. If there is no error, no problem, convert. Okay. Sir, error rate is very low, means recommended to use interpreter. That is the reason, sir, why Python is a interpreter based programming language, because there is no chance of getting error. If you ask any Python people, sir, how many times you got error by solving 100 programs? Rarely one or two programs. Okay, sir, if you take myself as an example, sir, when I'm taking Python classes, make sure that when I started the course till the continuation, till the ending of the course, sir, I'm not at all going to get one error also. Okay, because that much easiness will be there. So for students it is very easy. When comes to the trainer, it is dead easy, sir, because everything is very simple in Python. Okay, such type of programming languages will use interpreter. And luckily, sir, Java also. Sir, you told that Java is compiler based programming language. Yes, at one end it is compiler based, and another end it is nothing but interpreter based. Anyway, Java features are there. There I will explain how Java is both compiled and interpreted programming languages. So this is nothing but what is mean by compiler and what is mean by interpreter. Just the theory part I have given, sir. Please confirm if this theory is clear for you people. I will go with one executable code to differentiate compiler and interpreter. Sir, please confirm clear up to this. Right, sir. So now I want to take one example program in Java to explain the flavor of compilers. Okay, to explain the flavor of compilers, I am taking one Java program. Sir, you know very well how to write a Java program. So I am saving the program in D drive. Okay, I am saving the program in D drive. Okay, then, sir, now observe carefully. System.out.println of. So I am taking the first instruction as hello 1, second instruction as hello 2, third instruction as hello 3. So if I execute this program, all these three messages like hello 1, hello 2, hello 3 will be printed on the output screen. All these three messages will be printed on the output screen. Sir, let me cross check. Okay, let me cross check. So how to execute the program? We know we have to open command prompt, and from here we have to execute. Sir, anyone, do you remembered which command we have to use to compile the Java program? Please confirm which command we have to use to compile the Java program. Anyone remembered? Please post it on chat window. Which command is used to compile the Java program? Yes, very good. So Java C. Java C, excellent. So we have to use Java C space file name. The name of this file what I have given is test.java. Sir, there is no error in the program. Successfully it is compiled. Yes. Now I want to execute the program. So Java space, you can give test. Sir, what output you are going to get? Was hello 1, hello 2, hello 3, like this. Sir, wantedly I'm creating some errors in this program. So first error, I'm not taking double quotations. Second error, I'm not taking this closed parenthesis. Third error, I'm disabling this semicolon. Like wantedly I created three errors in this program. Now let me check whether our compiler is going to scan this total program and all these three errors are printed on my output panel or not. Let me cross check. Sir, Java C, I am taking test.java. It is a compiler. Now press enter. Sir, you can see all these three errors are printed on the output screen. If you want, you can see. What is the first error, sir? Unclosed string literal. Array boss, you have opened a string, but you didn't close it. What is the second error? Closed parenthesis expected here. What is the third error? Semicolon expected. Like this, meaningful errors it is displaying on the screen. Okay, compiler is working perfectly. Now, same program I am taking in Python. Okay, sir, print off. I am printing hello 1. Okay, next and after that hello 2. Next and after that hello 3, like this. So, how to execute the program? Sir, save with the same test.py. .py is the extension for Python program. For Java, we know very well. .java is the extension. For py, .py is the extension. If you want to compile the program, you have to take Java C, sir, test.java. Okay, if you want to run the program, Java space test, because it is a compiler based programming language, but Python is interpreted. Sir, there is no, okay, there is no compilation. Directly you can use one command. What is that command? Py. So py command is used to run your Python file. Now my Python file is ready with file name test. Now we have to run. Sir, same command prompt you can use. Now observe carefully. Py space test.py I am giving. Sir, the output is nothing but hello 1, hello 2, hello 3. Now, sir, create some errors here. Create some errors here. Now I want to check whether these three errors are displayed at a time or these errors are going to be displayed one by one. That is my intention. Now let us run the program. Sir, you can see we got this error. Only one error. Only one error got displayed here. Sir, what it is telling? In the file D drive, test.py file, in line number 1, you have taken this statement. Sir, this is a syntax error. Unterminated string literal, which is detected at line number 1. Okay, like this, interpreter is going to display only topmost error. If you clarify this error, then second line is going to be executed. I mean, second line is going to be raised. Now your doubt will be clarified. Have a look once. Sir, I solved the first line. Then what will happen? Sir, have you observed syntax error? Unterminated string literal detected at line number 3. Okay, detected at line number 3. Okay, I solved this one. Now see what will happen. Oh, I closed that. Sorry. So D drive, sir, py space test.py. Have you observed here? So closed parenthesis was never closed. Sir, you have opened this one, but for that opening, where is the closed, which is detected at line number 2. Okay, sir, then I am going to rectify that error. Okay, now the program is perfect, sir. Like that, line by line checking will be there in interpreter, but in the case of compiler, almost all the errors are going to be verified at a time. I mean, it will be displayed at a time. I hope you got the clarity. So what is mean by translator? How many types of translators are there in the programming? And what is mean by compiler? And what is mean by interpreter? These things are very clear for you people. Sir, please confirm. Do you have any doubts, sir, up to this? Everyone, please respond. Everyone, please respond, sir. Right, sir. Now, so hope you got the clarity how these compilers and interpreters are going to work. Sir, next, I want to talk about comments. Okay, comments in Java. Sir, what is mean by comment? Okay, have you observed in the previous classes somewhere when I am taking the program, sir, have you observed I have taken double slash? So what is the meaning of this? This is called as comment. That means that the entire line is treated as a comment. What is the need of comments? Why we need to go for comments? We will see now. Okay, sir, here comments are comments are nothing but description about the code. Okay, about the code, or about the instruction, or about the logic. Okay, you are going to provide some kind of description about these things, sir. Okay, next and after that, so comments are always ignored by compiler. Our compiler never touch this comment. Array, comment means it is for user purpose, it is for programmer point of view. Let us ignore that comment, so it won't consider as a Java instruction. Okay, so comments are always ignored by compiler. It won't check whether it is having syntactical mistakes, like that it will simply ignores. Sir, how to define the comments? There are three types of comments are there in Java. So what is the first one is nothing but single line comments. Single line comments. The second one is nothing but multi-line comments. Multi-line comments. Sir, the third one is nothing but multi-page comments. Okay, sir, or I can use the word called documentation comments. So total, how many types of comments are there, sir? Three types. Sir, how to take single line comment? Sir, you have to take a double slash like this. Okay, not backward slash, forward slash, you have to take double slash. That entire line whatever you are typing, that will be ignored, that will be treated as a comment. Sir, okay, I want to take more than one line. Then, sir, start like this. Then you can take the entire line. Then close like this. That's all. So, how to take multi-line comments, sir? Forward slash, okay, and then star. Then you need to take the complete code. Finally, you have to end with star and then forward slash. Remember carefully. Sir, I want to take multiple pages, more than one page. Then, sir, same like multi-line comments, but every line is going to be started with star. Okay, every line is going to be started with star. So what is the difference between multi-line and multi-page? In the case of multi-line, in a single file, so in a single page, if you want to take the comment, you can go, sir, I want to write a big documentation about my project, which contains 100 lines. Definitely it will be in more than one page, right? So in such cases, same like multi-line comment, but start every word with star. Then it will become multi-page. If you want, I will show you the predefined Java class. Any one Java class I will take, sir. 1 minute. Some source is there here. 1 minute. So just any one example. Okay, any one example I will take. Okay, 1 minute. Some compiler.java is there. Yeah, sir, you can see here. Sir, is it multi-line multi-page comment or not? Yes. Sir, is it multi-page comment or not? Yes. So more than one page, every line is going to start with like this. Sir, who is the author of this particular compiler.java created by these people? Okay, it is sir, when it was developed 1.18 version, sir, 033, no, it is not properly mentioned. I think so the date is correct or wrong, I don't know. Okay, sir, 2003 Sun Microsystems. Now it is Oracle company is a sponsor for Java, but previously Sun Microsystems. This is defined in java.lang package. Of course, in detail about this, I will show you later. Sir, it is a 1.4 version. Sir, already I installed several versions. You can observe here. Okay. Latest version 18 is there. Previous version 17, sir 16, so 15, and then 11, and then 8. Because maximum features will be there in 1.8 and 15, and then latest. So to cover various features, I installed all these softwares. Okay, this is nothing but what is mean by comments. Sir, please confirm if theory is clear. I will go with a small demonstration program. I request everyone to please confirm, is the theory concept regarding these comments, is it clear for you people, guys? Please respond. Right, sir. So let me go with one small executable program, test.java program itself I am taking. Okay, sir, have a look once. Sir, my requirement is I want to calculate area of the circle. Okay, I want to calculate area of the circle. Sir, double radius is equal to maybe 1.2. Okay, maybe 1.2. This is the radius. For this, I want to calculate area, sir. Directly, I am writing the formula. Sir, system dot out dot println of pi r square is the formula. Okay, so pi value is 3.147 into r square, radius into radius. Like this, I can take. Sir, now if I execute the program, successfully the code is going to compile. Successfully the code is going to compile. Okay, let us see. Java C test.java. Sir, the code compiled fine. Now I am executing Java space test. Sir, the code executed. Now I want exact result. I want exact result. So one more method is there. So I am taking this one as, sir, first version. So this one as second version to give clarity for the end user. Maybe tomorrow some other person may view this program. For them, we need to provide clarity, right? So without the comments, if you write, then it is not appropriate, especially in the project's point of view. Okay. So what is the second version? Radius into radius is okay, but this is not exact value of pi, sir. So there is one predefined class is there called math. In that they have defined pi as a constant, which will print the exact value of pi. Okay, which will print the exact value of pi. Now I want to execute this code, sir. So is it going to take exact value or not? Have a look once, sir. 4.52 something like this we are getting. This is nothing but exact value of pi. Okay, fine. So I hope you got the clarity what is the need of these comments. Sir, now could you please provide a description about this program? Who is the author? Who is the author? Sir, K. Prakash Babu developed this program. What is the title of the program? Sir, area of a circle. What are the inputs for my program? Sir, input is nothing but radius, sir. What is the outputs from the program? Sir, it is nothing but area of a circle. Like this I am getting. Okay. Sir, what is the date of creation of this program? Sir, the program was created 17/5/2022. Okay. Sir, now I want to mention the time also. Sir, time is nothing but almost sir 8:40 a.m. I created this program. Sir, if you run this program with this content, Java is going to raise error message. Array, what is this? What is this? Like that. So these things you have to take a \**. Have you observed? Entire thing turned to green color means that it is a comment. Sir, I don't want a complete thing. I want to close at 8th line. That's all. Now this line is this set of lines is called as comment. What type of comment? It is multi-line comments. So it will provide some description for you, but the program is not going to consider these comments. It will execute casually. Okay, I hope you got the what is the reason for taking the comments. Of course, in our scenario we are never going to use comments like this, but sometimes only for output purpose I will use a single line comments. Okay, so clear sir up to this? Please confirm. Any doubts? Yes. So that's all about sir today's session. So tomorrow you have to pay the fee and you need to continue. And before winding up the session, I want to show you the previous batch running notes, sir. Okay, maybe you'll feel some kind of difficulty, sir. How you are going to cover these programs? We are going to see one small project also, student management system. Okay, so a small project in JDBC we are going to see. Of course, it is a advanced Java batch project. So we are going to see with the help of CoreJava, with the help of CoreJava and JDBC, with the help of CoreJava and JDBC GUI. So these three projects we are going to see. Of course, we are not having advanced Java, right? That's why. So these three projects we are going to cover in that. And the syllabus, of course, already I mentioned. Okay, so we are going to cover all these things. Yes, of course, I explained everything. Okay, so comments, everything, keywords, identifiers. From tomorrow we are going to start variables, constants, data types. How many data types are there? What is mean by typecasting? Everything, sir. I will copy paste every program executable code along with outputs also. Okay, like that we are going to have. So literals, how many types of literals are there, how to represent those literals. Next, and after that, what are the input and output statements available? Okay, so how to represent the data. Okay, everything pin to pin I am going to cover. Okay, how to read input from the user, so how to supply output to the end user, scanner class, how it is going to work, how many forms are there. So how to read data from string, how to read data from file, how to read data from input device with examples. Everything with examples I am going to cover. Okay, so next, and after that, so naming conventions, comments that I explained today. What are the operators that are available in Java with example programs we are going to cover. So next, and after that, sir, we are going to see control flow statements. Okay, control flow statements, how the flow of execution is going to be happened, like selection statements, iterative statements, while loop, do while, for loop, for each loop, transfer statements, all these things. So okay, for everything we are going to take some examples also. Okay, for everything one example program will be there. Sometimes I will give homework like this. Okay, you need to practice, otherwise I will explain. Okay, we will create a WhatsApp group, with that we can communicate with doubts. Okay, then, so next, and after that, even in the looping statements also. So every program, some programs I am going to give for homework, you can solve. Okay, like this we will have. Yeah, we are going to use Eclipse IDE and NetBeans IDE, but not completely. Only for two concepts I will use, because the way of using that IDE you must aware. But basically I'm going with this flow only, because in this everything is not predefined. That's why I explained already. You have to learn from scratch. That is the reason why we are taking this edit plus and command prompt. Okay, but we can solve this by using IDEs also. I will introduce that IDE also, seventh. So next, and after that, arrays. Okay, arrays. So some real-time examples, some beautiful hero names, all these things, just for getting clarity. So we have some list of names are there. The names which are ending with an I want to print. How you can print? Okay, like this, a beautiful examples how to print these type of patterns. So how you can print all these things we are going to see. Next, and after that, arrays. So how to work with arrays. So do you know minimum 10 to 20 example programs we are going to cover here? Sum of elements present in the array, maximum element, minimum element, like this. Sir, we are going to cover the programs related to that. Matrix programs, how you can work with matrices. Okay, next, and after that, strings. So how you can able to declare strings, what are the methods that are available. Okay, So how to check two strings for equality. Okay, comparison of two strings, starts with, ends with, index of any character, substring, how to work, everything with the syntax, with the description. Okay, like this we are going to get. Okay, string buffer, some example programs, everything we are going to cover, sir. Have a look once. So palindrome number or not. So how to reverse the original string. So reverse the internal content of the string. Like if you print welcome to Java programming by Prakash sir, reverse. Sir, some student asked this doubt. Sir, if we want to get every first word in capital letter for reversed string, then in the reversed string every word first character. So how you can able to do that? So like that we are going to cover some example programs, and next and after that oops concepts also we are going to start. So like this we will have, sir. Okay, so that's all about demo session. If you are having any doubts, please let me know.